We're here today to talk about our biggest event of the year. It's our Connecting People to What's Important Summit 2026. Here's a few things you need to know. When is it? Tuesday, August 25th, 9 a.m. Where? Douglas County Fairgrounds. What can I expect if I'm showing up to this event? For starters, we've got the In-N-Out food truck showing up. Everybody's favorite, nothing wrong with that. We've got prizes just for coming, and we've got giveaways for a lucky random few people. We're gonna pull your name out of a hat and hopefully send you home with something nice. We've got live bus and van demos going on for manufacturers coming in from coast to coast across the country. They're gonna be showing you products in person. And we've got some on-site training classes, DOT walkarounds, how to use a wheelchair lift, and our most popular class, how to properly secure a wheelchair occupant into place the right way. That one fills up quick, so make sure you get on our sign-up list today. If you're a long-term customer of ours, if you're an industry professional, if you're a driver, if you're a decision maker, or just generally curious about shuttle buses, we want you to show up. You're definitely gonna have something to take away. Maybe get yourself some in and out. Check out our website if you want to get signed up. It's at daveycoach.com. Make sure you check out our classes. Look forward to seeing you there.